go. Look in here. It's absolutely nothing. It's just polyfill to try to mimic an enclosure. But it's already in an enclosure. They should have put polyfill in the box. But I'm gonna take this apart some more and get to the magnet. This is all. This is like an enclosure for the speaker with polyfill in it. This is the basket and the speaker all in one, built like a typical factory OEM type speaker with a plastic casing in it and houses it, cases the magnet and everything else. But this isn't my speaker, so we can't chop it up like we were going to. But if you look down in this crack, that's not the magnet, that's a weight. There's the weight right there that's black, that's glued onto the back of the magnet. So that's a weight to make it feel a lot more hefty. And quality, you know, it's a tactic a lot of OEM do to add some weight to their speakers to make them feel a little bit more like quality. So just wanted you guys to see that. That is a weight, that is not the magnet. The magnet is on the other side of that brown two-way tape that holds the magnet. That holds the weight onto the back of the magnet encased in this plastic case that bolts to the little baby enclosure that they had. But the speaker is relatively cheap, so it's a decent speaker for what it is for the OEM system. But just like everybody knows, aftermarket is always better. This is why everybody switches to JL, Kicker, Memphis, and all the other good stuff. So just wanted to show you guys what's all in the BRP speaker. So for 900 bucks already on your Seadoo, not bad, but you can definitely do better with the RTG system. It's a lot louder. So if a wakeboarder can hear the stereo from the boat, from the wake tower speakers, it's a similar effect to our speaker on the RTG system. Super loud. So you saw that video where you could hear it going 70 miles per hour through the wind. You can still hear 65%, 70% of the music, no problem. So you won't be able to do this with this speaker, especially with only, 37 watts a side going to it. It says 100 watts, 50 watts a side, but when we bench test for wattage, it was down to like 27. Peak was like 37. We never saw 50 watts. So now you guys see what the BRP speakers look like. And I wanted to cut this open. Would have been a more dramatic setup, but couldn't cut it open. So we're gonna put it back together and give it back to the owner so he could resell his system. All right, it's been Cowboy B. Hope you enjoyed this little video showing what's inside the BRP system on your Seadoo. Peace.